My name is Mike Taylor. I'm a senior partner at Hopkins Architects and I led the design team on the Velodrome for 2012. When you looked at the success of the British cyclists, particularly coming back from Beijing with that big treasure chest of medals, we had to do a building that was going to be the best velodrome in the world. And we wanted something that particularly represented London 2012. How could we do something for London, along with all the other venues, that was more sustainable, a bit more carefully thought out in terms of legacy, and was an appropriate response. Therefore, be able to show what London's attitude to design and sustainability was. We have an approach which is very much integrating architecture and engineering. Everything's open at the start, the conversation's very open to engineering and architecture, and it's a sort of seamless contact between the disciplines from the very start to the very end.
It's a lightweight structure, and from that the roof is a cable net structure, and the cables are 36mm in diameter and they span 130 metres. This roof is about that thick. We've done everything we can to make sure that we've put in the minimum amount of material to sort of carry this massive roof.
You were very aware on this that the eyes of the world would be upon you at the end. It really made everyone give 110%, and that was right through.
So the whole concept was trying to trailblaze, trying to do something that people could look at and go, that's a good design. Not just a cable net over a velodrome, but pick up some real sort of key things from it and then use that in their own design.
We had a very fast track, we had fantastically fast times, we got 10 world records and 24 Olympic records, which was fantastic.
I think the British thing about the design is the collaboration.
British consultants are leading the world in many ways about how we can integrate all of those measures into architecture. I mean, this building has a great story in terms of performance, engineering, efficiency. For me, what's been gratifying is everybody seems to like it. They've got an emotional reaction, it appeals to them. Okay, they love track cycling, they like the timber, but as a piece of sculpture, everyone immediately warms to it. So as an architect, you need to kind of get something people like in the first instance, and then they'll bear with you and listen to all of that supporting evidence about performance. We can all take pride in just how the whole Games was put on and delivered. I think the whole team are just enormously proud of it. We're all waiting to go back and have a go on it together now.